What I'm going to do now is show you an ingenious new product by Delkim. It's been designed by the man himself, Del Romang, and it's called the SlimLite indication system. So what I'm going to do is attach this one to my right hand rod. Lovely, perfect. Now, this is a patented prototype. So when the production ones come out, they could look slightly different, but the important things are it's going to be available and is an illuminated bobbin in all of the normal Delkim LED colours. So the bit that illuminates it is this brilliant little cable here, much thinner than the Nightlight Pro and the ES indication system. But the important factor about this whole design is this bobbin that has a patented design within it. Now in there are two different clips. You've got basically at the top you've got the magnetic ball bearing system, if you like, and then underneath you have a clip that basically grips the line, similar to a stow bobbin. So it sandwiches the line, giving you two different options. Now let me show you how it works, because this brilliant little stabilizer system here allows the indicator to go up and down. So basically it's like a duo carb, all the sort of same fittings. It's attached to a d-lok there, which I've got on this multi-pod by Signet, and the only difference really is there's no end that's gripping the actual Nightlight system. So the SlimLite works in a different manner to the Nightlight in the way that it moves up and down this stabilizer, so giving you a really sexy little design. And one final point while we're on the subject of the stabilizer, you'll be wondering why on earth do we actually need one on a bobbin? Well, quite simple. The same as the Nightlight system and the duo carb, it stabilizes it during windy conditions. The last thing you want is a load of false bleeps as the bobbin swings left and right, and this just allows it to act exactly how it should, with vertical movement up or down like that. Up and down it goes. Looks absolutely brilliant. Now let me detach this from the line, because I'm going to be able to show you a very clever way that they've got the weight adjustment. So if you want a real weighted bobbin, you've got options here. You've got 3, 5 and 10 gram weights, which are interchangeable. Now look, like our flying back leads and also our no trace system, Del's also got a slot here in the weight, and all you do, screw it off the thread, take that off, and you can use whatever weight you want, whether it's the 3, the 5 or the 10. You can just swap them in and out as you wish based on the conditions and the range you're fishing, the weight of lead, whatever you want to do. That gives you all the options you need to make quick changes without having to detach bobbins or unscrew heads and everything else. It's really quick. And to be honest with you, even though the bites I've had so far have been at night, just watching them, you know, because you can get the Delkim to tune in with it. So by switching on the 4 pips, if you like, holding the button down, you get the night lights on the Delkim itself, and obviously that's mimicked at the bobbin end as well. So anything that you see on the Delkim is represented on the bobbin, whether it's 1 bleep or 55 bleeps to a screamer, you'll see it all there. So it's a really clever system, and as you'll see, it's complemented by all the Delkim mod cons that I've got on here. As I've mentioned, the d-lok, you've got the ears here as well. They look so sexy, where you get the different battery plate at the back. Everything's so streamlined. They really have worked it well, and it's complemented finally by the smart clip that I've become a real fan of. You would have seen me use it loads of times on thinking tackle now. I've had some great bites on Bayswater. You hear the old ding of the clip as it roars off. Really good. And Del always got his thinking cap on. It's a bit of a tackle tart, and you can see it in these brand new bobbins.